What's up, everybody? Today is November the 3rd, Sunday. Been working on the toe board and the A-pillars on my 67 Nova. Let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm up to. Alright, so I went ahead and removed the toe board up in here because it was just rotted and just completely gone. I'm still going to have to remove some of the toe board and the the repaired floor pan that somebody else did right there. I mean, this is ridiculous that I can fit my fingers in between the bottom of the floor pan and the frame right there. It's a really shitty repair on somebody's part. And then I also came in here and removed some of the toe board up in here as well. One of the nice things about doing this, I'll show you, is that it's going to allow me to do a little bit better restoration in terms of blasting and priming, and that I'll be able to get all up inside of the frame there. So that's cool. I have decided to leave the transmission tunnel in place right now because I want to get the motor and transmission up in this thing and see exactly, what needs to be made bigger before I just run off and cut everything out. I do want to mention that I have also made these pieces that bolt. You look up underneath, you can see there that they bolt to the frame jig. I've made these pieces to hold my front unibody frame mounts in place here. Obviously, when you start removing all of this toe board, those things have the ability to move a lot. So I've basically welded them in place where they can't go anywhere. I've also been working on the A-pillars you can see here. So I've actually removed two pieces of metal. You have this piece of metal, let me back the camera up a little bit, that kind of goes here and, sections it off. And then over that is what's called an A-pillar cover that goes here and covers it up. So I'm going to have to build this one from scratch. I will buy the A-pillar cover. So got a good bit of repair to do right there. This side I have removed the A-pillar cover, but I have not removed the other piece. And you can kind of see that the metal is, it's there. It's just not in great shape. A lot of pitting and whatnot, but no holes or anything. So I haven't really made up my mind whether or not I'm going to remove that piece and try and fabricate a new one. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. This piece here that goes under our A-pillar cover, should I cut that off and fabricate a new one just because it's pitted? Or should I leave it? I'm not really sure what I want to do there. Original metal, nothing will ever fit as good and whatnot as original metal. So if I run off and fabricate it, it's not going to be the same. So I don't know, man. What do you guys think? Also, I got a big announcement coming up in the middle of November for Project Redline. I'm heading to Texas to pick up something for the car that is really cool. I ain't going to spoil it and tell everybody what it is, but it's really awesome. So there you go. That's this week's update working on the car. If you thought this was cool, give it a thumbs up down below. If you want to see more, click subscribe. You guys have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.